Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create pie chart in Google Sheets. So for example, we have here two columns. First one is name and the second one is points. If I want to create a pie chart based on this data, I need to select it all, and after that I need to go to insert and I need to click on chart. Then on default it should be created here column chart, but if we want to change it to pie chart, we need to click on this one list and then I select this one chart type. It is pie chart, so I click here, and how you see pie chart has been successfully created here. We can move this chart to position where we want to insert it, and of course you can customize this chart if you want. We can go to this one tab. We can change the chart style if you want. For example, we can modify the background color. I can select here maybe this one color. We can modify chart border color. We can modify pie chart. We can add the slice label if you want. For example, I select here value, or you can change it, for example, to percentage. We can modify pie slice settings. We can modify chart and axis titles. You can modify here title text if you want. On default it is points because it is based on points column. And you can modify legend settings. If you will click on this one option, you'll be able to modify other settings. So how you see, it looks really great. If I helped you to create pie chart in Google Sheets, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of your problem.